We will now proceed to introduce you the ultimate mixed reality lenses, the HoloLens 2. After having adjusted them and turned on, we can proceed to introduce the password, and we can then have access to all the content we have available inside the lenses. The mechanism is quite straightforward. As you can see, we can select different options, and having the HoloLens connected to the internet, we can access the huge variety of resources at the same level as a computer. After this brief introduction, we will access to the Visual Studio.
Once it is open, we can load the desired project from all the downloaded ones. Here we have a general view of the hologram of our car, and we can proceed to the inspection. Here we have the scheme of how the inspection is carried out. We will be firstly dealing with the exterior of the vehicle. We have inserted panels in which there is a QR code, and after clicking on them, a video explaining what needs to be handled in each case.
Regarding the exterior part of the vehicle, what we have to take into consideration is the chassis, the bodywork, the splash guards, the warning lights, the turn light indicators, the general condition of the motor, the rear view mirror and the side mirrors, and finally the doors, the wheels, the supply system of the car, and the safety glass.
Now we can move on to the interior of the vehicle. We can click on the QR code in order for the video to pop up.
We will now take a look at the interior part of the vehicle, for which we will take into consideration the doors, the rear view mirror, the seats and the seat belts, the warning signal, the turn light indicator, the low and high beam lights, the low pressure indicators, the pedals, the interior lighting, the velocity indicator, the position lighting, the windshield wiper, the klaxon, and finally the steering wheel.
Finally, we can consider the under hood part, and repeating the same procedure, we can watch the video.
Here, regarding the underhood considerations, we will look at the escape system, the carbon dioxide test, the direction box, the bodywork, and finally the anti-block system.
We have estimated that the glasses will be very beneficial for the company, as they will have a great economic and functional impact. In terms of training and audits, the time will be drastically reduced thanks to the functionalities offered by the HoloLens 2.
What we have taken out of this whole experience is that innovation is truly the only way to win, as Steve Jobs stated. This project has proved Applus to be a company that believes in change. HoloLens 2 have turned out to be an astonishingly powerful technology that has room in many different fields nowadays, and especially in the near future. However, we have faced the difficulties of working with such a cutting-edge technology. We have learned about virtual reality, Revit, and visual life. At the same time, we have acquired some basic knowledge on other programs such as Unity and Visual Studio.
Finally, last but not least, special shout out to Joshua Tin, Jaime Gómez Meana, Juan Lechuga, Xavier Grebul, and Alejandro Cuenca, who have done an amazing and very helpful job throughout the project.
To finish, we would like to end with a quote stated by Thomas Edison, and that's, "There's a way to do it better, just find it."